We were in this building when the storm hit. It rode it like a champ. In fact, we came out the morning after the storm and thought, well, that was too bad for the Texas live oaks on the street, and we could see some damage on rooftops, but we thought, well, we rode that pretty well. And it wasn't till Tuesday that we realized what was going on. There was really no information. We figured the best thing to do is get everybody we could find together and ask them how they felt about what was going on. What was open? What were they doing? What were their plans?
Our message to the nation is that we, the citizens of Louisiana, will do all that we can do to see that our citizens all have a voice.
It's a standing room only event. And we just added a cocktail waitress last week, which is very New Orleans, that you would have a political forum with a cocktail waitress. It's the oldest established floating crap game in New Orleans. This is the longest running and best established community gathering that this town has had in a long time.
It's history in the making. Right now, as things begin to start up again and New Orleans getting rebuilt, it's starting right here.
It's so inspiring to me to see citizens coming together and trying to solve the problems in their communities.